Previously we solved some problem. Now today let's solve some problem. So here the problem is the sum of the series. Basically it is problem of JEE Main 2019. The sum of the series 1 plus second term is 2 into 3 plus third term is 3 into 5 plus fourth term is 4 into 7 and continue up to the 11th terms. And the option given here 915, second one is 946 and third one is 945 and fourth one is 916. So how to solve this problem? Let us consider the given series is summation AI, where AI is taken in such a way that 1 plus 2 plus 3 into this is a given series written here. And now constructing this, look at here very carefully. 1 can be written as 1 into 1, and now arranging the first term of each of the term 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are I pattern. I pattern means 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 11th term. So for the multiplication of two terms respectively, we can construct that I for the next one 1, 3, 5. Sorry, 1 then 3 then 5. We can make another pattern 1, 3, 5. By the nth term of an AP, we have Pn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is 1, so 1 plus n minus 1 into D means 2. So solving this, we have 2n minus 1. Now putting there I into 2i minus 1. Just lose the bracket here. We get summation I equal to 1 to n, because we have to find the sum up to 11 terms. So here the sum rising from 1 to 11, and we have 2i square summation I from I equal to 1 to 11. Now we have the formula summation I square I equal to 1 to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Again summation I equal to 1 to n into n plus 1 by 2. Now applying this formula here, we have placing of we place 11 at n, and 11 into 11 plus 1 into 2 times of 11 plus 1. Again from here 11 into 11 plus 1 divided by 2, and solving this cut 2 3 6 2 6 4 and 11 2 6 12 and 2012 minus 66, and we have 946, and so the option 2. Let's solve another problem. Also IIT JEE Main 2019. If the sum of the first 15 terms of the given series, here the series given is 3 by 4 cube plus 1 of 1 by 2 cube plus 2 of 1 by 4 cube plus 3 cube plus 3 of 3 by 4 cube and so on up to 15th term is given 225k times. Then find the value of k. Your option given 108, second one is 27, third one is 54 and the fourth one is 9. So similar as previous, let us consider the given series B summation AI, where I rising from 1 to 15, and also given the number 3 by 4 cube plus 1 of 1 by 2 cube and so on up to 15th term. And now solving this line 3 by 4 cube plus 3 of 3 by 2 cube, making this mixed fraction to improper fraction, we have 3 by 2 cube, similar as 9 by 4 cube and so on. And we can construct that 3 by 4 cube, now multiplying both numerator and denominator by 2, we have 6 by 4 cube and so on. Similarly 9 by 4 cube, and 3 can be written as 12 by 4, so 3 cube is nothing but 12 by 4 cube and so on. So we have to find the first 15th term of this series, sum of the first 15th term of the series. So I is starting from 1 to 15, and 3 by 4 I cube, so 3 and 4 whole cube will be independent of this sum and can be outside of this sum, can be extract from the outside of the sum, and we have this sum is 225 times 27, and also given that this sum is nothing but 225 times k equal to 225 into 27. So from this we have k equal to 27. So in our option second one is right, so that is answer here. Let's solve another problem that is taken from JEE 2015. The problem is state that the sum of first 9 term of the series, like here 1 cube by 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3, and the third part is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube by 1 plus 3 plus 5, and continue. And the sum of this series given, options are given here 96, 142 and 192 and 71. So let's solve. Let the given series be the form in the form as summation I equals to 1 to n ai, similar as previous. So 1 cube by 1 equals to 1 cube plus plus 1 cube plus 2 cube by 1 plus 3 and so on up to 9 terms. And that can be written in general 1 cube plus 2 cube plus dot dot I cube divided by sum of all odd terms, that is here for 1 it is 1, for the first term it is 1, second term it is 2 odd, sum of 2 odd terms, for the third part sum of 3 odd terms. Similar here for ith term the sum of ith odd terms, and we know that sum of ith odd term like here n by 2 or I by 2 in general, first term plus last term, first term is 1, the last term is 2 I minus 1, and also I by 2 equals to 2 into 2I, that is equals to I square, and that is written here I square. And also you know that summation of I cube equal to I into I plus 1 by 2 whole square. So solving this, we have this one 1/4 I equal to 1 to 9 I plus 1 whole square, and also just simplify this, just lose the sum in such a way that 2 square plus 3 square plus dot dot 10 square minus 1, and that can be written in the compact form as 1 square plus 2 square plus dot 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 plus 10 square minus 1, and the sum of this part is given here, written here 10 into 10 plus 1 into 2 times of 10 plus 1 divided by 6. And solving this, we have 1/4 into 385 minus 1, and that is nothing but 96. So we have only answer as only option 96.